In this video, we are going to learn how to expand cropped photo with the AI generated expand tool in PixLr. You can see that our image is cropped on side. So let's expand it. Open the PixLr website. Then sign up or log in. Then click on the Open AI Photo Editor button. Click on the Open Image. Now open the cropped image. Click on Ultra HD. Click on Apply. Now go to the toolbar. Click on AI Tools. Click on Generative Expand. Now go to the preset size. Click on the drop down box. Select 1.5x wide. Click on the expand button. You can see that the image has been expanded. Click on any one of these two sample images. Now click on the Save button. Make the quality high. Click on Save As. Click on the Save button to save the photo. This is before and this is after. Before, after. Thanks for watching the video.